Alert! Holy crap!
Last seen wearing a blue
Holy crap!
camo sweatpants,
Holy crap!
shoes, and glasses. Police are looking for Logan Carter.
Sorry for the strong language. Oh my gosh.
Born 9/16/1994, 5'9", 170 pounds, brown hair, green eyes, in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a black 2003 Subaru Outback with Vermont license plates GBT 894. That's Vermont license plates GBT 894. The suspect was last heard from in Bear County. Law enforcement believe this child is in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Bear County Sheriff's Office at 210-335-4630. That number again is the Bear County Sheriff, 210-335-4630.
Kind of static.
Your local forecast. Tonight, clear then becoming partly cloudy after midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s.
Let's let that message repeat again because
10 to 15
I want to get it.
miles per hour. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 50%
I want to get that
chance of
message.
showers and thunderstorms. Highs
Again.
around 80. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
I'll pause it for a second. Oh my gosh, guys, you know what? I was literally uploading a video and oh my gosh, holy smokes. Sorry for that strong language at the beginning. I am so sorry for doing that strong language. But that just scared the heck out of me. Because, oh, strong language again. But, oh my gosh, Amber Alert in Bear County. Now, right now, I live in the Austin area, in Austin, Texas. And, I literally, like, it just scared me. Like, activated, my WR300 activated, and my Midland HH54 or EH55 didn't activate because they were not on. So, let's hear that
Lows
message
in the
again.
upper 50s.
I believe two
Highs in
radios
the
on.
mid-80s. Tuesday night and Wednesday, not as warm. Partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Highs in the lower 70s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows around 50. Thursday through Friday, clear. Highs in the upper 70s.
I'll have to view that child without emergency on far, too.
This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert
Probably
Network.
far activated on that live stream. I just wasn't.
Office is searching for Gabriella Sanders, white female, 13 years old, born on 5/15/2003. She's 5'7" tall, 155 pounds, brown hair, green eyes, and she was last seen wearing a blue sweatshirt, camo sweatpants, black shoes, and glasses.